We got honey steaks tonight.
Why is it not doing it? There it goes.
Got a couple ribeyes.
It'll be a holy grail. And just a slight slap of pepper. Cat.
Don't forget the honey.
Still gotta flop these. But yes, honey is coming. God damn it. Little bit of onion. Like that old southern Louisiana man I used to watch on TV. Old white man. Have a little pinch of pepper. Little teaspoon. I guarantee that that's a teaspoon. And he'd go grab a teaspoon and pull the salt off his hand. And it'd be a teaspoon leveled. And he'd have no salt on his hand whatsoever.
Practice makes perfect.
He was on one of them like weekend cooking channel PBS type things, and shit. It was him. It was the old Tennessee man fishing early in the morning.
Nice.
And then there was one other cook. I can't remember who it was though. There was a lady. But the old white southern man, he had a show, full scale. That dude was good at what he did. All right. Well, we got this beautiful tube of honey here.
Blackberry honey.
Oh, it's honey.
So good.
Oh. And around here, around these parts, between the street and the sidewalk, we put honey on our steaks. Mm-hmm.
Yummy, yummy for our tummies. Y'all really should try it if you haven't tried this yet.
If you've been living under a rock, please let me invite you to put honey on your steak. Marinate for 12 plus hours. It is 11 o'clock. The shortest time period I marinate these is 8 hours. I prefer 24 or better. But sometimes the stomach says shut up and eat it. I tend to agree. So, you know.
Steak time.
Getting that right coverage of all this voluptuous, beautiful honey.
Juicy steak.
I can put them together. I need a paper towel.
What should we have to go with it, y'all? Green beans, couscous.
Put your comments in the comments. Ooh, she look pretty.
We might have got some red potatoes.
We're already half a container down, y'all. You see that, right? Almost half a container. Oh, do-do-do.
And once you got it nice and covered, don't forget to wrap it And slap it.
Gotta slap and tenderize that meat, y'all. Why? Because all good meat needs a beating.
We slap our meat around here quite generously.
And cover it in honey. Now, where some people would think this is quite weird is we're over here slapping honey covered meat. Well, around these here parts, we don't give a fuck what them trolls think. We invite y'all to some good steak.
It really does make it tender.
As you guys see right now,
It'll
it is.
fall right apart. Whether you put it on the grill, stick it in the air fryer.
And if you burn it in the air fryer, guess what?
It's got a nice crispy glaze.
You got a crispy, honey-covered steak. Can you fuck up sugar? Isn't that what caramel is? Is burnt sugar? I'm just saying, y'all. Know your research.
I always had trouble cooking candy or any kind of caramelized stuff. I'd just burn the sugar up.
Most people heat it too fast. It's supposed to be slow heat.
Yeah.
Slow and steady. With a
Slow
gradual
and
increase.
steady. That's my pace.
Now we take this and seal at the sides. And yes, I know that's only a small overlap. That's okay. That's why we take the other side and do this.
Get the corner so it doesn't leak out. Ooh, look at all that honey piling up at the bottom.
We gotta take another bag.
And we got the bag.
Just to make sure it doesn't leak.
Yeah.
Because this is a thin stack of... Why is it not... There it goes. And we'll let this sit for 8 hours.
This might be sitting in a great Walmart or Great Value storage bag, but this is fresh local meat. Squeeze it and slap it. I don't want to hurt my hand.
There we go, y'all.
Cheers, y'all. Come
See you
back
in 8
up
hours.
for dinner. Stay shiny.